Hello everyone. Today we are here with Uyghur people at front of the Chinese embassy. We are sticking the posters on the Chinese embassy for solidarity with Uyghur people, because at the current moment there are 1.8 million Uyghur people are being in the forced labor, and we are asking the Chinese government to give more solidarity. We want to know where our family members are, and we want to know where are the people who are being detained at the moment in the Chinese concentration camp. I want the answer from Chinese government, from this government. I want answer for my family members. And this is Abderrahim Ghani, and this is also Uyghur from Holland, and he has 19 family members who are being currently detained in Chinese concentration camp, and he doesn't know where they are, and he doesn't know where these people are being detained, whether they are alive or dead. He don't know about something about that. So we are here with a lot of Uyghur people, and we are putting this kind of statement in front of Chinese embassy to let them know that we are here for the justice, for the human rights, for the Uyghur people. That's why we are here. And I hope the Chinese people can see it now. I hope the Chinese people can see what we are doing, and we hope, and we are here for the justice for Uyghur people.
Assalomu alaykum hurmatli qarindoshlar. Biz hozir Xitoy tajovuzchilarining Gollandiyadagi elchixonasining oldida yana namoyish qildik. Mana ko'rib turibsizlar, bu yerga Justice for the Uyghurs, mana Uyg'urlarga erkinlik, adolat va mushtaqilikni choplab, mana Xitoy elchixonasining nimasiga chopladik. Mana qo'ydinglar, Xitoy ko'rib turdi, mana Xitoy elchixonasi, mana ko'radinglar, Xitoyning qoniga bo'yalgan 5 yıldızlıq bayrog'i, mana davlat girbi, mana bu yerda biz hozir namoyish qilyapmiz. Yana Xitoy tajovuzchining oldida, elchixonasining oldida namoyish qilish to'xtatmaymiz. Bugun men Xitoy hukumatiga bir bayonot e'lon qilaman. Bir qancha xil taqitman. Bir haftagacha Xitoy hukumati ota-onam urug' tuqqanlarim haqida hech qanday javob bermay qolib qolsa, men yana Gollandiyadagi Xitoy elchixonasining oldida tinch shakllik namoyish qilaman. Shundaqla butun dunyodagi Uyg'urlarni Xitoy elchixonasining oldida tinch shakllik namoyish qilib, izdirik bo'layotgan necha million Uyg'urning izdirigini elishga chaqiraman. Bu to'g'risida maqsad shu videolik so'zlab taqitman bir necha qiltildi. Mana Xitoy elchixonasining oldida ko'rdinglar, mana oldida namoyish qilib qo'ymadi. Akini biz oldida namoyish qilgan yog'i jiqadan bermaydi ekan. Hozir biz mana bu keyin nimasida mana bu yerda Uyg'ur qarindoshlarimiz bor, mana bayroq minastaya. Mana hozir nimaga xatni yozyapti? Bugungi bu faoliyat Gollandiyadagi bir tashkilot vakanda, xalqaro tashkilot, shu tashkilotdan birlikda uyushtirilgan namoyish. Qaysi gap qilsizlar, Alishot? Yaqansizlar.
Uyghur English mi?
Ben İngiliz yaqinamsa.
Good afternoon, ladies and gentlemen. Today we are here again in front of Chinese embassy. Like everyone you know, Abderrahim, he already gave all the information about their family in the concentration camp to the Dutch government. Dutch government also already received his letter and also sent it to Chinese government. But until now, the Chinese government still didn't give any information about their 19 family. They should give the Abderrahim the answer, because their family is still a Chinese citizen. So Abderrahim, he have a right to ask for their family member, where they are, if they are still alive or in concentration camp or death. Chinese government give Abderrahim the answer about their family. Also give all information about Uyghurs in a concentration camp.
Evet, kayıta değil mi? Sözünüz hazır buldu. Onu ayırmalıyız. Nek meydan.
السلام عليكم ورحمة الله. نحن اليوم أمام السفارة الصينية في هولندا في مدينة دنهاخ نتظاهر لأجل ملايين الأيغور المسجونين في المخيمات النازية المقامة في تركستان الشرقية المحتلة. فنحن من هنا نشجب ونستنكر على ما قام به السلطات الصينية من ظلم واضطهاد ونفي للتركستانيين في البلاد. فأخونا الذي بجنبي هو اسمه أخ عبد الرحيم عبد الغني، هو يتظاهر أكثر من سنة تظاهرة متواصلة أمام السفارة الصينية وكذلك في مدينة أمستردام في مدينة دام. فقط أريد أن أنوه المشاهدين أن 19 فردا من عائلته إلى الآن لا يوجد عنهم أي معلومات، هل أنهم أحياء أم أموات أم أخذوا إلى المخيمات النازية الصينية. فأخونا منذ أكثر من سنة يتواصل في هذه التظاهرة، حتى أن أخونا تواصل مع وزارة الخارجية الهولندية وكذلك السفارة الصينية، فأرسل إلى السفارة رسائل فإلى الآن فلم يستلم إجابة على هذه الرسائل. فأخونا يرجو من الأحرار الذين يهتمون لهذه القضية في العالم من أحرار العالم أن يهتموا لقضية تركستان الشرقية ولقضية المخيمات النازية المقامة في بلاد تركستان الشرقية المحتلة. وشكرا جزيلا لكم.